Yes, so now we are discussing about advantages of Python and future. Advantages of Python and future. Python has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world for several compelling reasons. Here are some of its key advantages. First one is ease of learning and use. Python's syntax is simple and clean, making it beginner friendly. The language emphasizes repeatedly readability, which makes it easier to learn and maintain code. Python's high-level nature abstracts away complex details like memory management, allowing developers to focus on solving problems rather than worrying about level programming intricacies. Versatility. General purpose. Python can be used for a wide range of tasks from web development and automation to data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and scientific computing. Next is cross-platform. Python runs on all major operating systems, Windows, Linux, and Macintosh OS also, making it a great choice for cross-platform development. And the third point is large standard library. Python comes with a rich set of libraries and frameworks for different tasks. Whether you are working on web development, Django, Flask, data analysis, NumPy, Pandas, machine learning, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn, or automation Selenium requires, Python provides tools that save time and effort. By having multiple libraries, what will happen is, if you understand what will be the purpose of each library, if you are having one mode of technical answering is there in your mind, you are king in Python. That is, I can say. And the next point is community support. Python has one of the largest and most active programming communities. Whether you are troubleshooting an issue, learning, or contributing to open source projects, the Python community is extremely supportive. There are abundant resources, tutorials, documentation, and forums available to help both beginners and experienced developers. And the fifth point is extensive ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. The Python package index contains over 3 lakh third-party libraries, which significantly reduces development time for complex applications. That may be data connection, indexing, sorting, everything our library will be there. Popular libraries and frameworks works like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Flask, Django, and other make Python an excellent popular libraries and frameworks like Choice of everything, excellent choice of everything from data science to web development. Sixth point is integration with other technologies. Python integrates well with other languages like C, C++, and Java. It also supports REST APIs, databases, and cloud services, making it versatile for integrating with various platforms and technologies. And the next is scalability and flexibility. Python can handle projects of all sizes for simple scripts to learn scale enterprise applications. It is highly adaptable to different types of programming such as functional, object-oriented, or procedural. Especially option 8 is strong support for data science, AI and machine learning. Yes, it is libraries are very supporting to the data science, especially indexing, sorting, view and print, and especially for multi-threading and threading services. All things are very supportive for Python libraries. It is easy to program also. Python allows for fast development and prototyping due to its clean and concise syntax. This is especially useful in environments that require quick turnaround times, such as startups or research projects. Especially in olden days in COBOL, indexing and sorting is a very big logic of programming of COBOL and indexing also. But nowadays, by this library, index means you will get index and sort means it will sort, and all things sorting, indexing, viewing and printing also, all these are very easy by Python libraries. That is the advantage of Python libraries. Open source. Python is one source and free to use, making it essential, accessible to anyone. The fact that Python is open source encourages the sharing and collaboration of ideas, which accelerates innovation. I like so much thing in libraries of Python is especially data connectivity, and data connectivity is very easy by Python libraries. And next is the future of Python. Python's future looks bright and it is expected to remain one of the most popular and relevant programming languages of many years. Here are some key trends that will likely shape Python's future. And the next point is, first future scope is data science, AI and machine learning dominance. Python is already the leading language for data science, AI and ML, and this trend will continue. The rise of big data, deep learning and the ongoing need for advanced analytics will drive the continued growth of Python in these domains. Libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch and scikit-learn are being rapidly updated and expanded, making Python even more efficient for ML and AI development. And the next point and the second point is growth of web development. Python's web frameworks such as Django and Fast are well suited for developing scalable and secure web applications. With the continued growth of cloud-based services and web applications, Python's role in web development will only increase. And the third point is increased focus on performance. Python traditionally has been slower than some other languages, but there have been significant advancements to improve its performance. New tools, libraries and techniques like Python, PyPy and Numba are being developed to make Python more performant, especially in CPU and memory intensive applications. And next point is Python in edge computing and IoT, that is Internet of Things. As the Internet of Things and edge computing continue to grow, Python is expected to play a significant role. Its simplicity and wide adoption in the developer community make it an excellent choice for IoT, Internet of Things and applications, including sensors, smart devices and robotics. Next point is integration with cloud computing. The rise of cloud computing platforms such as AWS, Azure and Google Cloud will provide more opportunities. The rise of cloud computing platforms such as computing platforms for Python. The Python is widely supported for building several applications automating and cloud computing and cloud infrastructure and deploying machine learning models in production environments. Next point is better support for mobile development. While Python has not been dominant in mobile development as other language, frameworks like Kiwi and Beware are aiming to bring Python into the mobile app space. Additionally, Python's integration with web technologies means it will continue to play a role in web-based mobile apps. And the next point is growth in automation and scripting. Growth in automation and scripting. Python's ability to automate tasks and perform complex scripting will remain a major use case, particularly in DevOps, development apps, developer apps, ops, in IT automation and sustained administration. The rise of low-code and no-code platforms could also integrate Python for more advanced customizations. And next point is improvement of Python's ecosystem. Python's extensive ecosystem of libraries and frameworks will continue to evolve. Major important improvements in existing libraries as well as the development of new ones will ensure the Python stays relevant in areas like data science, finance, health, tech, and more. And the next point is increased focus on security and privacy. As concerns about cybersecurity and privacy continuing to rise, Python's role in building secure applications will grow. Its libraries for cryptography, security testing, and penetration testing will become increasingly important. And the next point is Python's role in education. Python has already become the go-to language for teaching computer science and programming. It is simple enough for beginners but powerful enough for advanced topics, which makes it an ideal language for educational institutions. As the demand for technical skills continues to grow, Python's role in education will become even more central. And the next point, finally, conclusion is Python's simplicity, versatility, and vast ecosystem make it an excellent choice for a wide range of applications. Its future is incredibly promising, particularly in fields like data science, AI, web development, cloud computing, and automation. As technology continues to evolve, Python's adaptability and strong community support will ensure it remains dominant force in the software development world for years to come. Especially what I want to say finally is, in advantages of Python and future is increasing so much. So many versions from past 4 years, around so many new versions are coming in Python. By that, libraries are increasing and old libraries are upgraded, and all these combinations are going on. So Python will give very good support for application framework and web framework also. Wishing you all the best. Wishing you all the best.